2-car garage with parking on the pad as well. Shelving stays, washer and dryer, solar hot water system, and a LiftMaster Wi-Fi enabled garage door opener that you can use to open with your phone if you program it. Insulated garage door to help keep it cooler in here. There is visitor parking, guest parking right across the way here, but you can only park there during certain hours. I think 2 to 6 or 3 to 6 you can't park there. And landscaping out front is done all by the association. Landscaping in back is included in your rent. All right, let's go inside. So as you come in through the garage, walk into your kitchen area. We do have an alarm system. If you wanted to activate that and pay the difference, you could. This is your half bath downstairs. Just a toilet and a sink and mirror. It's pretty big. And then as you walk in here, you have Bosch appliances except for the refrigerator, which is Samsung. Got a kitchen aisle here with the sink in the middle, or a garbage disposal, and a dishwasher. Microwave. Wood floors throughout except for in the bedrooms. All the bedrooms are carpeted. Got a pantry area here. A little dining room area here. All the curtain rods will stay on the home. And then you have under the stairs right here, you have some storage or another more use of a pantry area. And there is a light in here as well. So the house is going to be painted before a tenant moves in. It'll be cleaned before a tenant moves in, and the carpets will be professionally cleaned as well. Ceiling fans in each room. Each bedroom has a ceiling fan as well. It has a central AC system, which we service every 6 to 7 months. We even change the filter for you. This is your main entry door, and it does have a keyless lock system on it. And then this is your back area here, the side, main entry. That's where your main gate is. So if you get package delivered, it would come through there, ring your doorbell. Then as you walk back here on the side, it's a corner lot, so all the landscaping inside the fence is done by us once a month. And then the black matting will stay, and I'm pretty sure this storage shelf or cabinet will stay too. It's a nice little yard, fenced in. And then on this side, it's a gravel area for your trash and rubbish bins, another gate, and some storage. And the microwave will vent outside. You can see the vent hood right there. All right, let's go inside and we'll head upstairs. Okay, as we head upstairs, we're still using the laminate wood flooring. Got bull noses over each edge of the stairs. Just a little sitting computer area here. Well lit. If you turn right, you have a little linen closet here, the length of the hallway. And this is your primary bedroom here. Nice and large bedroom. Ceiling fan. And the blinds on the window will stay, and the curtain rods will stay as well. And here's your closet for your master. Shelves stay. Then you have your sinks, your tub, toilet, normal stuff. You walk out into here. We'll go to the other bedrooms. This is a carpeted hallway, and the rest is carpeted other than the bathroom. Nest thermostat system. This is your guest bathroom upstairs. That's your attic access to the AC system, which we will service and we will change the filter. First bedroom on the left. And the closet is a pretty deep closet. And it goes back this way some too. Okay, let's go to the next bedroom beside it. It's got the sliding closet doors. Pretty deep. and then ceiling fan, curtain rods, and then the one across the hall, ceiling fans, curtain rods, carpeted floor, and a little deep sized closet there. Each one has a remote for the ceiling fan as well. And that is it.